So what do you think? Is it going to be a white Christmas this year? Is it going to snow? Well, it doesn't really matter, you know. You can create your own white Christmas. Try this. Take an empty glass jar. Now, it can be a jam jar or a peanut butter jar like this, or even a coffee jar, as long as it's got a watertight lid on it. And remove the lid, and then just paint onto the back of the lid some PVA glue. Paint or paste it on, just slop it on like that. And you can do it along the sides as well. I'll just do it on the top just to show you. And then dip it into some silver glitter. Just push it in and then pull it out like that. And the glue has picked up the glitter. And if you do it around the edge or the side of the lid as well, when it's dry, you'll have something that looks like that. Look at that, a glittery lid. And then lay it down flat and take a clump of plasticine. Now, it needs to be about the size of a ping pong ball, and it's best if you can use white plasticine because it gives you a snowy effect. And then just press it inside your lid, into the middle of the inside of your lid, and press it down with your fingers just to create a watertight seal around the edge of it, and just press it really firmly right inside like that. And make sure you've got a gap of about ½ centimetre around the edge like that, so you can screw the lid back on. When you've got your plasticine clump inside your lid, just take a pinch of silver glitter and just sprinkle it onto the plasticine like that, and then just press those loose flakes into the plasticine, and then take a toy figure or a Christmas tree decoration, could be plastic or wooden, something to do with Christmas or winter, and just pop that into the top of your plasticine like that, and just press the plasticine, pinch it around his feet like that. And now you're ready. Pour some cold, clean water into your jar, but just pour it up to the shoulder of your jar. Don't pour it beyond the neck where you screw it on, otherwise it will overflow. That'll do it. And then into that, pour about ¼ of a tube of glitter, silver glitter again, and it goes, and then give it a good stir. So you stir it around like that, and then just very carefully pop the lid back on. There we go, in he goes. Nice and tight, make sure it's screwed well on, and then give it a shake. A snowstorm in a jar. And there are loads of different types you could try. What about cutting out a snow picture from a ski magazine? Watch this. Just shake it up, and there he is, me little toy reindeer. And if you haven't got a toy or a little figure, you could always make one out of plasticine. Try this. That's exactly what I did with me little snowman. Try it yourself. Create your own white Christmas. Or should I say, silver Christmas?
Now that is a brilliant idea. It's just an ordinary jar, some plasticine and a Christmas decoration. Add water, glitter and shake. Oh yes, and make sure the lid is an absolutely watertight fit. All this happens and you have a very wet floor. Oh.
Well, that's it. A few Christmassy ideas for you. Try them yourself. And I'll be back in January with a brand new series of Art Attack. Until then, have yourself a cracking Christmas. Ta-ra!